This is a homage beat.
Hello, international greeting time. Hola, aloha, ciao, salut, ni hao, namaste, ohayo, yagamasu, здравствуйте, привет, bună, dzień dobry, sziasztok. Hello, xin ciao, yabasio, tere, assalamu alaikum, saskrekal, marhaban, merhaba if you are from Turkey. Hello, my name is Brunelli if you don't know who I am. Alright, so you've seen the title. It is a beauty box. Ooh, I can hear something coming through. The postman has been round very late. 2 in the afternoon. Naughty. But never mind that. So, Byrdie with a B-Y-R-D-I, which is celebrity makeup, skincare, wellness, all celebrity kind of stuff. They've got they curated their first beauty box, which is quite surprising that it's taken quite a while for them to get there. It is in conjunction with Latest in Beauty, so you can buy it from there. The price is £50, so it is a bit pricey as beauty boxes go. However, as you saw on the thumbnail, yes, worth over £210. Hello, is it worth getting just on the price itself? Hell yeah. And I haven't even looked inside. I haven't even looked inside. So there is the packaging. And it says here, the Nightlies edit. This is all about the nighttime routine. Anything that that you include in your nighttime routine, be it skincare, where that would be a kind of creams or exfoliants or anything else to help massage the skin, anything to pamper yourself in the evening. This is what the box is like. So you've got the packaging which says Byrdie, and then the box itself says Latest in Beauty. And don't you mind my manky nails. All the other nails have come off and I've got to take them off, so sorry. Right, so in the box, I'm just opening it now with you guys. As you can see, nothing's been touched. So you've got the Byrdie beauty box, the Nightlies edit. It says, welcome to your Nightlies Byrdie UK beauty box in partnership with Latest in Beauty. Nightlies are Insta story series by which you can find on Instagram at bybyrdie.co.uk. Each Sunday walks you through the nighttime routines of some of the most clued up skincare and wellness loving women on Instagram who share their tips, tricks and advice. So check out there on Instagram if you want to pamper yourself on a Sunday. We are now bringing this concept directly to your very own bathroom with our team's favorite products to recharge your body, rejuvenate your complexion. I need all the rejuvenation I can get. Rejuvenate your complexion, and for that elusive glow, mine's not elusive, I'm oily, very oily, elusive glow, and set you up for a great night's sleep. Join the conversation every Sunday with Nightlies and by byrdie.co.uk. There you go. Anyway, so it's got a list of all the items in there. The goodies. Yay! I've got never mind. Too excited, too energetic. Sorry. So this one is the first item that's at the top. Voila. So this is Origin's Flower Fusion Hydrating Sheet Mask. So that's the first one. And also with that, it also gives you a 15% off code at origin.co.uk if you want to buy something else as well, which is really, really good. There's one sheet and it's got so lavender mask. If you're not into lavender, this may not be for you. And it is lavender infused sheet mask, soothes leaving skin distressed while the serene, relaxing scent of lavender creates an oasis of calm. Great. But if you don't like lavender, there won't be anything serene or calm about it whatsoever. So you have that in there. Great. And then the next item that I can pull out of here is this Law Original and Legendary Hair Care, the intelligent way to look after your hair. So let's have a look at Law. Where are you? Law. And it's not even on, it's right at the back. All right. So you've got the whole card and then you've got other items at the back. That's why I couldn't find it. Right. So each one of them has got different individuals who've actually picked different items. It says here, Law Original Legendary Dry Hair Mask. If I'm going to subject myself to the hassle of hair masks, never mind. We're not going to be reading all of that. Law formulas are crafted with our belief in providing a simplified unisex range of products that provide long-lasting integrity and health for every hair type. We use a complex balance of primarily natural ingredients, but we are also proud to complement these with our choice of high-performance scientific compounds to achieve the optimum level of results. Law is manufactured exclusively in the UK and is free from parabens, sulfates, triclosan, and MIT, I think. That should be it. We do not test on animals or use any animal derived ingredients. Sorry, derivatives, I was going to say. Sniff, sniff. Hay fever. Sorry. Right, so that's that one. Great. And the next item I've got here is Living Sea therapy with bath salt in here. So I know all about bath salt and so on. Let's have a look and have a sniff. Eucalyptus. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, okay, that is strong. Oh, wowee. Okay. It does smell a bit sort of medicated. I'm not too sure if I like this particular smell, to be honest. Calm bath salt from the pure open waters of the UK's most southerly peninsula. We hand harvest soft flaked Cornish sea salt crystal to nourish, smooth and hydrate your skin. Our blend of pyramid and sea salt crystals is infused with Living Sea complex, packed with over 60 essential minerals and vitamins, blah blah blah. So it doesn't tell me what the smell is, but I can certainly smell something sort of eucalyptus, but something else has been added to it. I'm not too sure I like the smell. But it's good for your skin. And next item is Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. Ooh, nice. Fall asleep faster naturally and wake up refreshed. Okay, this works. It's on the company This Works. And that is fantastic. Modern, fast-acting, natural way to restore normal sleep, natural, expertly blended with essential oils of lavender, vetiver, and wild chamomile. There you have it. To use on your pillow. Spray, spray, spray. Night, night, sweet dreams. Nightmares. I have no idea what I'm doing. So let's carry on quick, before my battery dies. Next one is Brow Bar from Brow Bar, and we've got here brow exfoliator. Ooh, 2 grams in here. Sorry, I forgot to say this one here I'm sure created, and I think it's just 1 sachet. Yeah, that looks like just 1 sachet. The Law hair products. This works. You've got here how much is inside? 75 ml or 2.5 fluid ounces if you are American. So this one is 2 grams. I'm trying to speed through, otherwise it will take a long time. There's quite a few different things here. And then you've got Elemis, or should it, depending on how you want to pronounce it, Elmis, but I think it's Elemis. Pro Collagen Overnight Matrix. This is anti-aging cream, wrinkle smoothing night cream, crème de nuit. Never mind. So there you have it. And this one is only 15 ml. So I don't think it's a full size, obviously. So that's that one. And then you've also got another sample size, which is Purity Made Simple, 30 ml in here. And this one is Purity Philosophy. Purity is natural. We come into this world with all the right instincts. We are innocent and perceive things as they should be, rather than how they are. Our conscience is clear, our hands are clean, and the world at large is truly beautiful. Okay, 3-in-1 cleanser for face and eyes. So that's that one, 30 ml inside. Not bad. Can't wait to try that. I know that their things are not cheap. Okay, so next item. This one is definitely a tiny sample size. This is Dr. Dermis Gross, and that's a Ferulic Retinol Wrinkle Recovery Overnight Serum. Okay, and there's only 5 ml in here, or 0.16 fluid ounces. Okay, that's fine. I have no idea the true value of this. Then you've got OPI Nail Lacquer Le Vernis. And this is a bright shade, and this is a bit too bright for me, so I won't be using it, so I shall find someone to give it to. So that's nice. But OPI, well, I don't know, £6, £7 usually, or a bit more, depending on which one it is. Next item in here is Ren. And this is the Clean Skin Body Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. Ready. So there you have it. So this is you've got 50 ml in here from Rituals, which I know are not cheap. You've got the Ritual of Dio, bringing peace and tranquility. Sorry, bringing peace and tranquility into your life. To be kind to your skin, body cream. Okay, organic White Lotus and is it Yee or is it EE? I don't know. YE Yee Ren. Okay, what if I butchered it? Let me know. Yee Ren. There you have it. But let me know. In here you have 70 ml, so it's not bad at all. In fact, I love smelling things. I just can't help it. Let's have a sniff. Okay, there isn't a thing to wrap over it, so that's a bit surprising. But dropping everything. Again, I'm not so. All I can think of is it feels almost like I can smell the forest, bamboos, but it feels absolutely beautiful. Oh my god, this is a beauty. It feels beautiful on the skin. Honestly, it's like velvet smooth. It's just wow. I absolutely love the feel of this. I may not like the smell particularly, but this feels gorgeous on the skin. Super velvety, dries nice and quick, non-greasy, can't see any shine whatsoever, but I can already feel that area feels really well moisturized. So that is lovely. Actually, I'm really happy with that. Now, this one, Queen of Hungary, mist. Okay, so this company, I always have a problem with it. Omoroviska, there you go. I think that's how you say it. Anyway, so it's a company, I've seen their stuff before. I know that they're not cheap. It is 30 ml in here. And yeah, so I can't even tell what on earth it is. Queen of, must be a hydrating sort of serum of some kind, but it doesn't really say much. Let's see, look at the card and see what it says on it. What it says about it, I should say. If I can open the card, that is Queen of Mist. You can use Omoroviska's face mist at any point in your skincare routine, but it's so refreshing and makes the skin feel instantly hydrated and replenished. I probably spray mine at least 5 times on whatever. So it's also got a 15% code underneath as well. So definitely keep the card because it's got lots of different codes on there. So that's really good, and I know they're not cheap. And also stacked skincare, which is a micro roller. So you've got a micro skin roller there as well to help, you know, kind of get the blood flowing, and it's a good idea to actually do that, micro you know, the skin, and then put any kind of serums or creams and massage it into the skin, and that gets once you get the blood flowing, hopefully what that means is that the product you're putting on your skin will be much more quickly absorbed into your skin underneath the actual skin layers as well, which obviously is what you would want it to do. Something for dreaming, plant-based fix that contains passion flower and melatonin, that contributes to the reduction of time taken to fall asleep. Okay, again, this is there's a spray, so subliminal pulverization before bedtime. My lips still don't work properly, so this is it's not helping me at all. So this helps you to go to sleep much faster, which is great. Unfortunately, I'm suffering from sleep deprivation at the moment, waking up at odd times, taking ages to go to bed, and I'm just going to have a good sniff. Oh, okay, it's got a bit in. Again, I'm not into the smell either. Oh my god, what's going on with me not liking the smell thing at the moment? But it is what it is. But yeah, so in here you have got how much, sorry, let you know how much is in there. It is oh god, I don't know, it's not showing it anywhere at all. This, I can't tell. This one is lip base, and it is everyday lip salvation for cold sore prone lips. So there you have it. Oh, it smells beautiful. The first thing that smells beautiful. Hallelujah, thank God for that. Smells edible. So nice. Okay, so doesn't have anything else on it, but obviously it's to moisturize your lips. It does smell beautiful. Let me just apply it on the skin and just see. Yeah, it feels moisturizing, but it doesn't feel, texture-wise, it doesn't feel greasy or oily at all. So that's nice, and I love this smell. So that is my lot in here. There's quite a lot in here, and according to the actual packaging and everything else, this is worth £213. So you pay £50 and you get a total of £213 worth of items. Yes, some of them are not full size, but there are quite a few items here. And when you look at some of them, they're quite expensive. So you make up your own mind as to whether it's worth buying or not. But I'm definitely looking forward to trying many of these products, despite my not liking the smells for many of them. But it's not necessarily all about the smell. It's about how effective the product you use is on your skin. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching, and let me know, what do you think about this box? Would you be getting one so you can, you know, spruce up on your nighttime routine, or would you think, next, and leave it? Personally, I'm quite happy with a lot of these products, and what I'm going to do is make sure that I actually use them, which I don't always do. Thank you for watching, and I'll speak to everyone very soon. Bye for now.